Princeton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, western Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, until 5 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles west of Bloomingdale, or 8 miles southwest of West Milford, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Bloomingdale by 4:30 p.m., Pompton Lakes by 4:40 p.m., Wayne by 4:45 p.m., Ridgewood, Hawthorne, Ramsey, and 6 miles north of Paterson by 5 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen and Passaic. The coastal